If your income stopped today, would you still survive financially? Take a moment and think about it seriously. Most people depend on only one income source, usually a job or a small business, and that is extremely risky. If that one income stops because of layoffs, illness, or economic problems, everything collapses. In today's world, building multiple income streams is no longer optional. It's necessary for survival and long-term success. In this video, I'll show you how anyone can build multiple income streams from zero, even if you have no money, no experience, and no special background. This is not about getting rich overnight. This is about building smart income step by step. Step 1. Understand multiple income streams. Multiple income streams simply mean earning money from more than one source instead of relying on just one paycheck. For example, it could be a job plus a side hustle, a business plus investments, or active income combined with passive income. The main idea is very simple. If one income stops, the others continue and protect you financially. Rich people don't depend on one source of income. They build systems that generate money from different directions. This is the foundation of financial security and freedom. Step 2. Start with active income. When you are starting from zero, active income should always come first because you need cash flow to survive and move forward. Active income means exchanging your time or skills for money. This can be a job, freelancing, part-time work, or any skill-based service. Ask yourself one simple but powerful question. What skill can I use to earn money in the next 30 days? It could be writing, editing, graphic design, video editing, teaching, or even learning a new high-income skill online. Do not underestimate small income, because even a small amount gives you momentum and confidence to take the next step. Step 3. Build a second income online. Once you have one income source, the next step is to build a second income using the internet. This is where growth really begins. You can offer freelancing services on online platforms, start content creation like YouTube or blogging, sell digital services, or provide online consulting based on your skills or experience. Online income is powerful because it has very low starting cost, a global audience, and unlimited growth potential. One video, one blog, or one digital service can earn money again and again. This is how you slowly reduce your dependence on just one income. Step 4. Turn income into passive income. The biggest mistake people make is spending all their income instead of investing it. To build real wealth, you must learn to invest. Start small with long-term investments like index funds, mutual funds, or dividend-paying assets. You don't need a lot of money to begin. Consistency matters more than amount. Passive income means your money works for you, even when you are sleeping, resting, or spending time with family. This is the stage where income becomes more stable and your future becomes more secure. Step 5. Follow the right order. One common mistake beginners make is trying to do everything at once. That leads to confusion and burnout. Instead, follow a simple and smart order. First, build one main income to cover your expenses. Second, add one side income to increase cash flow. Third, create one investment income to build long-term wealth. Over time, these income sources grow stronger and turn into real multiple income streams. This process takes time, but it works if you stay consistent. Conclusion. Building multiple income streams will not make you rich overnight, but it will give you financial security, freedom, and control over your life. You won't panic if one income stops because you'll have backups. Start small, stay patient, and keep improving step by step. Always remember, the goal is not to work harder every day. The goal is to earn smarter and build a better future.